And finally, I am giving my introduction. In the same manner, you need to give your introduction also. Hello, me Rahul Awasthi, the founder director of Oxygenation Institute, Mountaineous Samriddhi Private Limited, CRA Digital Academy. I am digital marketing expert and motivational speaker too. That I wish to discover myself, how much caliber I have. I need to discover that. So that's the same manner you can also give your introduction enthusiastic level. Your body language must required to with you, and because most of the person when they are interacting with somebody else, their eye contact and their body language is not interactive with them. That's why I'm saying that the people are not get affected from it. Hello everyone, how are you? English is most important and worldwide language. It is so important. You know that if you know that language, you can survive all over the world. Not only surviving, but also you can create the rocks also. I'm just telling you the importance of English now. You know that if you go for CDS or NDA, you will pass every examination, but then after the group discussion you face, then only southern areas student they get enrolled in there, but the UP, MP, Bihar, why? Because their tongue is not supporting, their English is not supporting. That's why they never enroll in that CDS and NDA. In the same manner, you can watch every examination. For example, for you can say the PMT, CPMT, anything else, all the studies in English language. But if you have knowledge about that, you can easily learn that. Otherwise, you always 5 to 6 years just searching the dictionaries. 70% you face the problem when you learning, you searching the words, the meanings in the dictionary, and only 30% related to subject. That's why I'm saying that English is most important language if you go for higher study. But suppose if you go for job somewhere else, if you go for becoming a teacher, you know that English medium skills providing a handsome salary. But instead of that, you compare the Hindi medium school institutions, they are providing a small job, 5,000, 6,000 rupees salary here. If you compare with the domestic call center with the international call center, domestic call center just paying you 6,000, 7,000 rupees per month. But in compared to that, international call centers are paying a handsome amount, 35,000 to 45, 50,000 rupees per month. Why? Because you can understand easily the language, you can speak in English language. So that's the power of English, that if each and everywhere you have need to face that. And that's why I'm saying that learning is so important, and you people need to learn that. I'm just providing you. Why? Because more than 70% people in India, they are Hindi knowing that. They know Hindi, they speak Hindi, but they are facing a lot of problem with the English language. That's why I'm providing you that priceless education. You know that priceless I'm saying, because if I price that only 2,000, 3,000, it's not sufficient. That's why I'm providing you the free of cost English speaking. I've already told you that personal power is more superior than positional power. Positional power, you can lose it, and then after when you lose your position, you get flat broke, you don't have money. But if you have personal power, if you improve your growth, definitely you will never lose. Why? Because when you don't have money, then definitely why? Because of your personal power, you can survive, you can create money, you can create anything else. Why? Because you have personal power, you have personality, you have body language, you have presentation skills. Presentation, that's why I'm saying that English is so important, and this is best language for presentation. Because you know that if you go for interview, suppose that you facing an interview, then what the people ask, you don't know that reply. You will reply each and every question the person what they ask. So that's why I'm saying that English is so important language, and you people have need to learn it. So that's why there are some concept, just learning, reading newspapers, learning vocabs, and so many things which are required. You watch that televisions, you watch news channels, you watch English movies, Hollywood movies you prefer, and that's why you can create a milestone. Finally आई एम टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश. ओके, कैसा लगा आपको? मैंने आपसे पहले भी कहा था कि अगर इंग्लिश में बात करनी है तो यू नीड टू टॉक इन इंग्लिश, यू नीड टू वॉक इन इंग्लिश, यू नीड टू रॉक इन इंग्लिश, यू नीड टू स्लीप विद इंग्लिश. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दैट अगर आप ऐसा कुछ कर पाते हैं, आपको एक लैंग्वेज पे कमांड अगर करना है तो यू नीड टू डू दैट, और विद इन 20 days यू विल स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग. और ये बेहतर फंडामेंटल्स हैं. आपको लर्निंग करनी है, आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बोलना है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बात करनी है. थोड़ा बहुत गलतियां होंगी, गलतियों को किनारे रखिए. आई एम विद यू, आई विल इरेडिकेट ऑल द मिस्टेक्स ऑफ यू. तो डेफिनेटली अगर आप साथ चलेंगे तो वहीं तक जाएंगे जहां हम जा रहे हैं, और बेहतर एक इन्वायरमेंट क्रिएट करते हैं. अच्छी तरह से डेवलप करिए. इंग्लिश एक इन्वायरमेंट के साथ क्रिएट करिए. इंग्लिश इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इफेक्टिव लैंग्वेज, ये भूलिएगा मत. एंड कल की क्लास में फिर मिलते हैं. गुड बाय, टिल देन.